Bonjour tout le monde, aujourd'hui encore une fois on est là pour mettre le point sur des questions qui peuvent vous assister et vous aider pour faire le bon choix, ainsi devenir ce que vous avez toujours voulu, hôtesse de l'air et steward. Aujourd'hui on va traiter deux sujets assez importants. Le premier c'est les avantages et le deuxième c'est les inconvénients pour devenir un PNC. On va dès aujourd'hui commencer à muscler votre niveau en anglais. Think smart, act fast, the sky is the limit. Once we talk about benefits, we cannot ignore or we cannot talk about it without highlighting the salary. Within the airlines, it's more you deserve, the more you get. In the meaning that your promotion describes your salary. The faster you get promoted, the higher your salary will go. And let us now talk about a little bit what is included as a package within the airline for future air hostess and future air stewards. Your housing is included, which includes also the furniture inside it. The transportation is also afforded and given by the airline. Your medical care by the best clinics in town. And also, let's not forget the social benefits. One of the best parts of the social benefits is the discounted tickets for you, your loved ones, and your friends. Okay, let us now cover the second point of the benefits, and that is obviously attributed to your job, which is traveling. You get to have a nice breakfast in Tokyo, and within the next couple of days, you probably are eating a lovely dinner in the New Zealand lagoons. The next week, you are tripping in the middle of Africa, going through a nice safari with all the barbecues that it offers. Never mind, all this is coated with the touch of the airline always, which is it's totally covered by the money given to you within these layovers. Also, if you decide to stay in the hotel, what we call the 5-star resorts, you always are covered with these airlines. You get up to 50% discount on all your food and beverages. Hi guys, once more let us talk about the third benefits, and that is to do with your studies. What can you do on your free time? How can you invest it into your own benefits? Now within the airlines is always something interesting, and that is that they have tight partnership with well-respected universities around the world. Now all what you have to do is probably make the right choice, the subject that is interesting for you. The airline is there to assist you through an easy payment through installments that is deducted from your salary on a monthly basis. Now just make the choice and the airline is there to assist. Once more, we would like to cover the second part, and obviously it's the challenges you might be facing. The reason we call it challenges here in Airborne, we believe that if there is any inconvenience doing your job as an air hostess or an air steward, we reverse it to a challenge. We find a solution alongside with you. The first one would be feeling homesick. And I'm sure many of you would wonder, if you're feeling homesick, what is the right solution for this first challenge? I would recommend strongly that you plan your monthly program, or what we call in the world of aviation a roster. So try to go as home as often as you can, and the way or the best way to do that is obviously to use the discounted tickets once more your airline would offer you. Once more, we're gonna now tackle the second challenge you might be facing. which is the routine. Are we subject to a certain routine? Can we sleep at night at home? Well, definitely the answer will be negative, and you will be subject to different time zones. Now, the best way to tackle that and the best way to find a positive results is basically to entertain your body at all times. So the gym is your best answer. And also, let's compare this. In a regular job, you always work an average of 160 hours. Compared to an airline job, you have an average of 75 to 80 hours a month. So it's all about how you get organized. My best advice for you is stay healthy, stay fit, and don't forget, think smart, act fast, the sky is the limit. If you do like our content, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel and do like us on Facebook. Again guys, think smart, act fast, the sky is the limit.